हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। आज है डे 22 ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस सीरीज। थीम है योगा निद्रा। योगा निद्रा और योगिक स्लीप इज अ डीप रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक. All you have to do is listen to my instructions. Consider my instructions as a rope. Hold on to it till the end. So let's start. Before we start this practice, keep a blanket with you. If required, use blanket to cover your body. Now lie down on your spine. Spread your legs wide, mat width apart, toes falling either side, palms facing up, fingers naturally curled. Chin tucked. Watch your breath. योग निद्रा एक बहुत ही पावरफुल सेल्फ हीलिंग एंड सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट टूल है जो कि हेल्प करता है स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने में. ड्यूरिंग द प्रैक्टिस आपको शवासन में रहना है विदाउट मेकिंग एनी मूवमेंट अंटिल आई टेल यू टू. सेकेंड थिंग, जस्ट मेक श्योर यू आर कीपिंग योर आइज क्लोज्ड थ्रू आउट द प्रैक्टिस. थर्ड थिंग, कोई भी थॉट्स आ रहे हैं उनको रेजिस्ट नहीं करना है. ग्रेजुअली इट विल फेड अवे. द माइंड इज इन अ मूड टू रिलैक्स. मेक नो एफर्ट to control the mind. Observe your natural breath. Sound of your breath is very rhythmic and slow. Sense the body breathing by itself, observing the natural flow of the air in the nostrils, throat, and rib cage, as well as the rise and fall of the abdomen with each breath. With every inhalation, feel the expansion of your abdomen. With every exhalation, your abdomen sinks down. If you want to make any adjustments, make it now. After this, there should be no movement in your body. Just listen to my voice. Keep your body still and eyes closed till the end of the practice. Now, listen to the sounds around you. Any sound, sound of traffic, fan, any sound, or any sound which is coming from far away. Pick any one sound and keep listening to that one particular sound. Now drop that sound. Pick another sound. Drop this sound as well. Now take your awareness to that body part which I am going to name without making any movement. Just take your awareness to that body part and release all the tension from that body part. We'll start with right hand, right thumb, right index finger, right center finger, right ring finger, right little finger, right palm, back side of right palm, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, right chest, right side of abdomen, right hip bone, right thigh, right knee, right shin, right ankle, right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe and fifth toe, right sole, right heel, right calf muscles, back side of right knee, back side of right thigh, right hip. Relax your entire right side. Release all the tension from the right side of your body. Let it relax completely on the mat. Gently transfer your awareness to the left. Left thumb, left index finger, left center finger, left ring finger, left little finger, left palm, back side of left palm, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, left chest, left side of abdomen, left hip bone, left thigh, left knee, left shin, left ankle, left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe and fifth toe, left sole, left heel, left calf muscles, back side of left knee, back side of left thigh, left hip, lower back, mid back, upper back, neck. Relax your hairs, hair follicles, relax your scalp, forehead, eyebrows, eyebrow center, left eye, right eye, left nostril, right nostril, upper lip, lower lip, upper jaw, lower jaw. Relax your tongue on the upper palate. Your cheeks, ears, chin, neck, chest, And now observe your breath. Start counting your breath backward, starting from 27 to 0. Notice and welcome the thoughts, memories, and images that are present in your mind. Observe your thoughts without judging them or trying to change them. It is the time to welcome your feelings. Welcome the sensations such as heaviness, tension, or warmth, and emotions such as sadness, anger, or worry that are present in your body and mind. Also notice opposite sensations and emotions. If you feel worry, call up feelings of serenity. If you feel tense, experience ease. Sense each feeling and its opposite within your body. Now slowly become aware of your breath. Become aware of your room, your mat on which you are lying. Feel the touch of your clothes and touch of the mat. Gentle movement in your fingers and your toes. Move your head left, right. Bring your feet together. Extend your arms up over your head. Interlock your fingers and give a nice stretch from top to toes. Bend left knee, roll on to the right side. The moment you feel comfortable, sit up in Sukhasana, keeping your eyes closed. Take a moment to acknowledge the experience of last practice. Hands at the back, grab opposite elbows, inhale chin up, exhale bend forward.
Send your gratitudes to the universal energy, being thankful to the Mother Earth.
Slowly come up, Release your hands, rub your palms nicely, generate the heat, transfer this heat to that body part which you want to heal. For emotional strength, place palms on chest. Once again, rub your palms and this time cup your eyes. Looking straight into your palms, gently open your eyes. Palms to the chest center. Namaste. Thank you so much for your practice. कैसी रही आप लोगों की आज की प्रैक्टिस? लेट मी नो योर एक्सपीरियंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. कल का थीम है क्रिएटिविटी. आई विल सी यू टुमारो. टिल देन टेक केयर. नमस्ते.